Dr. Abhijit Banerjee and those who would like to discuss in our another context that would be Indian Nobel laureates. So now we'll go to the coveted literature prize. The literature Nobel first, as already we have discussed, was awarded in the year 1901 went to René F. Sully, Rothman of France. Then in 1907, the Nobel Prize in Literature went to Rudyard Kipling of England. The 1913 Nobel Prize went to Rabindranath Tagore of India for his great poem Gitanjali. Then in 1915, the Nobel Prize in Literature went to France in the name of Romain Rolland. The 1923 Nobel Prize in Literature went to W.B. Yeats of Ireland. The 1925 Nobel Prize in Literature went to George Bernard Shaw of England. 1930 Nobel Prize in Literature went to Sinclair Lewis of United States of America. Then 1932 Nobel Prize in Literature again went to England in the name of John Galsworthy. Then in 1938 the Nobel Prize in Literature went to United States of America in the name of Paul S. Buck. Then the 1946 Nobel Prize in Literature went to Switzerland in the name of literary genius Hermann Hesse for his great epic Siddhartha. Then in 1948 the Nobel Prize in Literature went to England in the name of T.S. Eliot. 1949 Nobel Prize in Literature went to United States of America in the name of William Faulkner. The 1950 Nobel Prize in Literature went in the name of English writer Bertrand A. W. Russell. Then the 1953 Nobel Prize for Literature went in the name of Sir Winston S. Churchill, the then Prime Minister of England. 1953 Nobel Prize went in the name of Sir Winston S. Churchill. 1954 Nobel Prize in Literature went to United States of America in the name of Ernest Hemingway, who was famous for his epics like Farewell to Arms and Old Man and the Sea. In 1957 Nobel Prize went to France in the name of the great existentialist philosopher and writer Albert Camus. 1958 Nobel Prize in Literature went to the then Union of Soviet Socialist Republics great writer Boris L. Pasternak. The 1964 Nobel Prize went to France in the name of the famous existentialist author and the philosopher of alienation, Jean-Paul Sartre. But Sartre rejected the prize. Then the 1965 Nobel Prize in Literature went again to Union of Soviet Socialist Republic in the name of Mikhail Sholokhov. The 1969 Nobel Prize in Literature went to Ireland in the name of Samuel Beckett. Again in 1970, Nobel Prize in Literature went to Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, revolutionary author and a critic of communist Alexander Solzhenitsyn. And in 1971, another great Nobel laureate of literature was Pablo Neruda of Chile. So, in this context, we would like to discuss another great person who won Nobel Prize in Literature, as it is known as Saul Bellow, and he was an American author. He won the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1976. Again in 1978, the award went to Isaac Bashevis Singer of United States of America, and another great international author who won the Nobel Prize in 1982 was from Colombia, and who was known as Gabriel Garcia Marquez, and who was famous for his work 1000 Years of Solitude. And in 1983, Nobel Prize for Literature went to the English poet William Golding. So, these are the famous Nobel laureates since its institution in 1900 by the great Alfred Nobel, who was the inventor of dynamite, and in his will he instituted the prizes for exceptional contribution in invention and discoveries in fields like physics, chemistry, medicine, and philology, peace, and literature. And among all these prizes, the Nobel Peace Prize is the most coveted prize. And in this year, in 2025 or 2025, it was won by Maria Corina Machado, the opposition leader of Venezuela, and also the literature Nobel award went to Laszlo Gorkai of Hungary. He was a great Hungarian author. So, in this lecture, almost we have discussed about those Nobel laureates since 1901 who received Nobel Prizes in the field of peace, physics, chemistry, medicine, and physiology literature. As economics or economic sciences was instituted in 1968, and the first Nobel Prize in the field of economic sciences was awarded in 1969. That also we have discussed since 1969, which great personalities in the economic field won the Nobel Prize in economic sciences. And as up to this year, in 2025, the Nobel Prize in Economic Sciences would be declared on 13th October, Monday, 2025. So it would be tomorrow. As today is October 12, 2025, so the Nobel Prize in Economic Science would be declared tomorrow, October 13, 2025. And in our next class, we'll discuss about the Indian Nobel laureates since the institution of the Nobel Prize in 1901.